dear students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is real life problems involving LCM. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve real life situations involving LCM. My dear students, now we are going to solve word problems regarding LCM. So here we are going to check the word problem. Here is the example. Example is find out the minimum distance that can exactly be measured with 40, 50 and 60 meter long string. Well, my dear students, do circle the numbers. The numbers are 40, 50 and 60. And here the word minimum is telling you that we are going to find out the LCM of these given three numbers. As minimum and smallest whenever are the words for the LCM. And here the distance are more than 1. So that is why we are going to find out LCM. Now, my dear students, we are going to start the word problem. And the solution will be like this. We have to find out LCM to find out the required distance, which will be the minimum distance. Here is the procedure. You can see the procedure over here. Or you can say that हम यहाँ पर product of common and not common factors को choose करेंगे. Because हम यहाँ पर कौन सा मेथड अप्लाई करने लगे हैं? हम यहाँ पर डिवीजन मेथड अप्लाई करने लगे हैं टू फाइंड आउट LCM. So here is the procedure as you already are familiar with it. So I am just going to recall the procedure for you guys so that this will be more easy for you to grasp the concept. I am going to follow the LCM by division method. So for that sake, I am going to write down the numbers like this. We need to find out the minimum distance. That is why we are going to write it down like this. 40, 50, 60. Now we are going to divide all of these numbers by a prime number so that all of these numbers or any two of these numbers are divisible by the number which we are going to choose. So I am going to choose a prime number which is 2. So I am going to divide this number by the given all numbers. So I'm going to write the numbers down like this. So you know that 2 2s are 4. So I'm going to write 2 down below 4. Now I'm going to write 0, 0 means 0 will come down as it is. So that is 2 20s are 40, you know it. So I'm going to write 20 over here, then I will write a comma. Then I'm going to divide the number 50 by 2. My dear students, as you know that 2 2s are 4. So I am going to write the number 2 over here, and you know that there is the number 5. Means we have remaining number 1 by subtracting. So what we are going to do, we have whole complete number which is 10 now. Now I am going to divide this number by 2. So 2 5s are 10. So the complete number will be 25. So, as you know that 25, if you are going to multiply the number 25 by 2, you will get the answer which is 50 written over there on the top. Now, I am going to divide the number 60 by 2. To do that, I am just going to recall the table. 2 3s are 6 and 0 will come as it is. Means 2 30s are 60. So, this is the final answer of this question. But you know it, this is more divisible by more prime numbers. So I have noticed that all of these numbers are even number and they are divisible by again the number 2, which is a prime number. Now I am going to divide all of these numbers again by 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 0 will come down. 0s are 0. So 0 will come down. So that is 2 10s are 20. I will write over here. Then I will place a comma. Do remember to write commas because here we are having 3 numbers. So we are going to place commas because commas are really very important. They are going to separate all of these 3 numbers. Okay. So I am going to place comma again and I'm going to check that हर नंबर के नीचे वही नंबर आए और हर अलाइनमेंट को हमने चेक करना है, बिकॉज अलाइनमेंट इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन LCM and mathematics. You can say that in mathematics, whenever we are going to follow alignment, we are going to solve a perfect mathematics question. So now we are going to write 225. You know, 25 is no more divisible by the number 2. So what we are going to do, we are going to write the number as it is. So we are going to write the number 25 here again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide the number 30 by 2. As you know that 2 ones are 2, but what is remaining? 10. 10 is remaining. Now what I am going to do, I am going to multiply to get 10. 2 5s are 10. So I will write 15 over here because 15 2s are 30. You already know that. Now my dear students, what is left? We have 10, 25 and 15 over here. And you know that these all three numbers are divisible by which number? Yes, this is divisible by the number 5, which is a prime number. Now we are going to divide these three numbers by 5 because 5 is a prime number. 5 2s are 10 and then a comma. Then the next number will be 5 5s are 25. So I will place 5 over here. Now 5 3s are 15. I will place 3 down below the number 15. Now my dear students, you know it. These three numbers are prime numbers. But what I will suggest you to write all of the numbers over here in this side, because in this side I prefer to write prime numbers. So I will do it like this as well, so that there will be no more confusion from your side. So I will do it separately one by one, as 2 ones are 2 and the next remaining two numbers will come down as it is. Now I got 1. Now what I will do, I will just say that I'm just going to write 3 over here, and then because you know that 1 is over here, there is no need to do anything else. So I am going to copy the number 1 over here and write it again down, because I'm just going to write it as it is. Now 3 ones are 3. I will write the number 5 as it is, and I will say that 1, and I will write the number 1 here down after a comma. Now my dear student, what is left? Only the number 5 is left. I will say that 5 ones are 5 by copying and writing the numbers the same number, by writing the same numbers as it is, because we need final answer as 1, 1, 1. Means all of these numbers must give the quotient 1. So my dear students, now what we are going to do, we are going to just mark all of these prime numbers in our mind, that these all are prime numbers and common and not common prime factors as well, because we have written the not common prime factors also over here in this side. Now my dear students, we are going to say it. We are going to write the product, means we are going to multiply all of these numbers to get the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now my dear students, what we are going to do, we are going to find out the LCM by multiplying all of these numbers separately. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, 43s are 120, and 120, if we are going to multiply it by 5, we will get the number 600. So finally we have the LCM is equal to 600. So final statement is required now. So we are going to write down the final statement from the question. From the question, they are asking to find out the required distance, which is the minimum distance. So we are going to say that, hence the required distance is 600 meters. Hope the whole procedure is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.